The P0430 diagnostic trouble code is one of the most common emissions-related codes that vehicle owners encounter. Understanding what this code means is essential for proper diagnosis and repair. The P0430 code specifically indicates that the catalytic converter on bank 2 is not operating efficiently. Bank 2 refers to the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. This diagram shows how engines are divided into banks. Bank 1 contains cylinder 1, while bank 2 is the opposite side. Each bank has its own catalytic converter that must be monitored separately. The powertrain control module monitors catalyst efficiency by comparing oxygen sensor readings. The upstream sensor measures exhaust gases before the catalytic converter, while the downstream sensor measures them after treatment. When the catalytic converter is working properly, there should be a significant difference between these readings. If the PCM detects that efficiency has dropped below the programmed threshold, it triggers the P0430 code. The most common cause of P0430 codes is a degraded or failed catalytic converter, accounting for 60 to 70% of all cases. This internal honeycomb structure breaks down over time, reducing its ability to convert harmful emissions. Faulty downstream oxygen sensors cause 15 to 20% of P0430 codes. When these sensors provide incorrect readings, the PCM cannot accurately assess catalyst performance, leading to false efficiency codes. Engine misfires account for 10 to 15% of cases. Misfires send unburned fuel into the exhaust system, which can damage the catalytic converter and trigger efficiency codes. Fuel system issues, including contaminated fuel or incorrect air-fuel mixtures, cause the remaining 5 to 10% of P0430 codes. Several factors can contribute to catalytic converter problems and P0430 codes. High-mileage vehicles over 100,000 miles are particularly susceptible, as are vehicles with poor maintenance histories. Using incorrect fuel or oil types can contaminate the catalyst, while extreme driving conditions accelerate wear. Exhaust leaks upstream of the catalyst can also affect readings and trigger false codes. Understanding the P0430 code is the first step in proper diagnosis. Remember that this code specifically indicates a bank 2 catalyst efficiency problem, with failed catalytic converters being the most common cause. Proper diagnosis is crucial for effectively addressing P0430 codes. Modern diagnostic tools and systematic testing procedures help identify the root cause and avoid unnecessary repairs. First, verify the P0430 code using an advanced OBD2 scanner. Modern scanners provide precise catalyst efficiency readings and can detect related codes that help pinpoint the exact problem. Next, perform a thorough visual inspection of the exhaust system. Look for physical damage, cracks, or leaks that could affect catalyst performance or cause false readings. Test both upstream and downstream oxygen sensors. The upstream sensor should show rapid voltage switching, while the downstream sensor should remain relatively stable if the catalyst is working properly. Perform a back pressure test to check for internal catalyst breakdown. Excessive back pressure indicates a clogged or damaged catalyst that restricts exhaust flow. Once diagnosis is complete, several repair solutions are available depending on the root cause. The most common solution is catalytic converter replacement, but other issues may need addressing first. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance, quality fuel, prompt attention to engine problems, and periodic inspections can significantly extend catalyst life and prevent P0430 codes. Proper diagnosis using systematic testing procedures leads to successful repairs in 95% of cases. Investing in quality diagnosis and parts, combined with preventive maintenance, ensures long-term catalyst performance and prevents costly failures.